Hey, hi, good evening, everyone. I hope I am audible and visible very clearly. Can I get a quick confirmation in the chat? Guys, if you guys can hear me very clearly, please let me know quickly in the chat. Just adding the screen so that I can see you guys. Yep. Yep. Great, great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I'm Prasad. I'm one of the core team members at Let's Upgrade, and I'm back again to welcome you all to yet another session. Right. So this time we have Bootstrap, one of the, you can say, very core foundational concepts that you need to know if you are getting into the world of web development. Priorly, it was like if you know Bootstrap, if you know HTML says Bootstrap, you could easily get a job. But times have changed, right? Now you need React and everything along with that. But still, Bootstrap will help you a lot getting your prototypes faster. You don't have to spend every single line writing every single line of CSS. Probably you can write the whole responsive website without a single line of CSS as well. Yeah. So this is what you're going to learn, and next 5 days is going to be mastering Bootstrap. So please ensure that you ask all questions that you have. Your trainer, instructor, who I'll call in within a few minutes. Total duration kitna hoga? Dinner karna baki hai. So don't worry, we won't keep you long. It is going to be 1 hour. Yeah. So we'll start now and we'll finish mostly by 8:30. Yes, that would be 1 hour. Yeah. So I'm just here to, as always, guide you for the first 3 steps that you guys need to know before you start off with the program. So yeah. So I have this option here. You have to go in your description box, right? Let me just do one thing. Let me just share my whole screen. Let me just give me a second so that it is easier. So that it's easier for you guys to follow along. Yep. Yeah. Now it will be fine. So if you just scroll down in your description, I've just opened that. You will find one link, right? So it is called all-in-one documentation, which I'm also going to put in the chat and pin for you guys. Okay. So please excuse the noise. Today is Anand Chaturdashi Ganesh Visarjan, so there is a noise coming from background. Please excuse. Yeah. So now we're going to open that link, right? So I'm just going to follow. You have to just keep the process in mind. It's very easy. So this is where you have everything related to program. You have session links, you have enrollment links, you have your documentation link, basically this. You also have the notes or the curriculum that is there, basically what you're going to learn and what you're going to build, and then again step-by-step process. So basically what I'll say in the next 5 minutes is all documented here with proper screenshots in case for the people who join later or in case you have any queries, right? So the very important link for us is this enrollment and attendance, right? Keep always in mind that there are only 3 steps that you guys need to follow as of now. First is registering for the program. If you have not, I believe 80% of your students have already registered for the program, enrolled. If you have not, I'm going to show you how you do that. Second is marking your attendance and attending the program and building whatever the trainer is building along with you. And the third very important step is to get your certificate. Yeah. So this is the link. Just click on this and that would take you to this particular page, right? So now since I am opening it for the first time, it will show me this pop-up that if you have not enrolled, please go and enroll. So I'm just going to click on enroll me and that's it. I would get a message on WhatsApp. Yeah. So if you heard that sound, I got a notification on WhatsApp that I have successfully enrolled. And this is the dashboard where you will see your schedule. You will see the communities link, where is basically a Discord community where you can go and network, or WhatsApp channel. If you want to share your programs with your friends and get coins for that, you can do that as well. You can join our giveaways, which we do, where you can win iPad, gaming keyboard, earbuds, and everything. You can be a student ambassador and get exclusive gifts and swags again. And this is the schedule. Yeah, so 17th to 21st of October, right? Sorry, September. So, and you can go directly on the YouTube from this button as well. Yeah. So yeah, this is everything. And yes, this is the progress bar where you will see that there are only 2 steps that are required: attendance marking and assignment submissions, right? And your certificates will be available after 21st of September. So all you need to do is come here. Like you see, right? Currently, I can see mark attendance. Since this session is live, I have to just go here and mark my attendance. So just give whatever you feel like, how the session went after this session is over. If you give anything below than 10, please tell us what went wrong. Yeah, so for now, as I'm going to give 10, I'll say nothing and submit. That's it. My attendance submit. I have to do this more than 50%, right? So I have to come for all the, mostly out of 5 I have to attend 3 sessions. But I would suggest you complete all and build project so that you can add it to your GitHub portfolio or resume and LinkedIn as well, right? So that's the whole process. Register, attend, and then you can download the certificate. You will see one option here for downloading certificate once the program is over and the progress is more than 50%, right? So I believe everything is clear. Can I get a quick confirmation in the chat? Hi Vedant. Can I get a quick confirmation in the chat? Is everything clear so that I can call your instructor on this panel and we can start? Can I get a quick confirmation? Yes, clear, thumbs up, anything at all? Yep. Great, great. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start with the session. I'm just going to close this links and remove my screen. And yeah, we have Noor here. I'm just going to welcome him. Hi Noor, how are you doing?
Hi, Prasant. How are you? I'm good.
Great.
How?
It's a pleasure to have you with us, Noor. And yeah, we have almost, I didn't see the, okay, I maybe closed the window, but we have more than, the last I saw was more than 200 folks
Yeah.
starting the journey in web development. You know, right? Bootstrap, very crucial. Yep. So over to you. All the best to guys who are watching this. Please ask doubts. One important thing, students, to keep in mind whenever Noor is teaching, don't spam the chats because your doubts will get missed. As and when he's looking into the chats, he'll let you know. Please put the doubts that time so that he can answer them at the right time. Right? So with that, I'll be off from here and over to you. All the best, students, and see you at the end.
Thank you, Prasad ji. So, hi everybody. How are you? I hope like everybody is like doing great and all. So, on the first day on the learning session of the Bootstrap, I hope everybody is like enjoying the coding things. So, hope I know everybody like more familiar with the HTML, CSS, and little bit of JavaScript. So, like, put in the chat like if you know the HTML, CSS little bit, so like I can understand the how I have to explain all those things and all. So can you put in the chat like if you know the HTML, CSS at least? So yes sir, not okay, I don't know, okay, a little bit, yes, no, okay. Okay, so let's little bit discuss about what is Bootstrap and how its benefit and what is the history of all. So first of all, the HTML, like if you know guys and you have already worked on it, so yeah, HTML is the basic the layout process which we are doing in a coding session or if we are creating any websites. So the HTML is the most like useful part. But when we come in the designing part in the website look and all, so that's come with the CSS part, right guys? So if you know little bit about the CSS, like yes, if you worked on it or if you did any like small program on it, so please chat in the comments. Yes, you done a small projects and all. So yeah, okay, yes. Okay, perfect. So let's start with the Bootstrap introduction. What is Bootstrap? So Bootstrap is a kind of CSS framework which use for creating the website look with the responsive part. So major problem like if you code CSS, if you have done or created a project in a CSS, so you can see there is so many problem when we are working on a responsive part. So like if we decrease the screen size, if we increase the screen size, or if we move in a mobile or something like that. So like the if we design for a laptop and if we move for the phone or a tablet or something like that, so the whole design and structure is totally changed. So for that the Bootstrap help us a very like the best way. So this is a best part. And what we are getting from the Bootstrap, there are so many components is available, there are so many the small, like we have to add just a class, will get everything already available. So what we are going to learn today, we are going to learn how we can add Bootstrap in our project and how we can use that and what is the best way of using it and all. So first of all, little bit history of the Bootstrap, but like how it's come in the market and all. So when the CSS introduced, everybody is working on the the like the coding part, and they are doing the lots of big code, like the for the measure for the responsive part. So the screen size is this. Like if you guys know about the media query, how many know the media query? If you have worked on a HTML CSS, so like pin like the comment, let me know if you little bit know about the media query. I'm waiting, guys. Please add in a comment, like if you know little bit anything about the media query. Okay, okay, no. Lokesh, no. Okay, no, 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 no. Yes, okay, 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 okay. More, more. Okay, so more of the people like the as I see the 50% audience is know the media query and 50% is not know. So let me little bit about the media. Let me tell you about little bit about the media query. So what is media query is like will define some custom CSS about as per the screen size. So as per our screen size is as per the mobile. So we'll add that style applied on that media query at that screen. So that's a media query. But when Bootstrap come, it solve that issue. You don't have to write each screen's media query. You don't have to write the custom CSS for each screens. So that's come a Bootstrap that introduce a grid part. So like today we'll understand the grid also. So first of all, major question is the market, like who created Bootstrap? Because of we know the React created by the Facebook, we know the Angular created by the Google. These things are popular, but when we are discussing about the Bootstrap, like major people not tell about the who created the Bootstrap and what, and also the founder or created by a tutor Bootstrap. Let me check if you guys know about who created. Okay, okay. So yeah, so let's move to the Bootstrap. So first of all, let's start. Let me share my screen and introduce you like, or explore you about the Bootstrap, how you can get into it, how you can set up your project, and what is use of grid and all. Okay. So guys, are you ready for like I'll share my screen. I'll show you how it's work and all. Or if you anything have you any question and doubt regarding those which I have told earlier, or like the middle of this. If you guys have any question related to the discussion about the Bootstrap and what is all and how it work and all, yeah. If you have any question, guys. So yes, okay. Do you have okay media query? Okay. Anything else, guys? Ready? Okay, ready. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, we are ready. Okay, okay. So let me share my screen and little bit show you about the Bootstrap, how we can start. Okay, perfect. Okay, so share my screen. So hope it's visible, you guys. Are you able to see my screen? Please chat in a like chat. Oh, sorry, add in a comment or add in a chat. Yes, yes. If it's visible, please add comment. Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So what is visible now? Hope you guys can see this. It's visible. What is it? What is it? What is it? I'm getting yes. Just let me know what it is. Oh yeah. So someone said it's B. Yeah. Okay. So this is a logo of Bootstrap upgraded. Like lastly, it is not that, but yeah, this is a logo of Bootstrap, icon of Bootstrap. Okay. 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 Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So this is a official website of Bootstrap. You can go there and you can look. Everything is available there. So today we'll start how we can set up and okay, okay, may I know which session is and okay, it's just a 1 hour session. Okay, anything else? Okay, okay, okay. So let me tell you about how we can add this into our project. Okay, so Is this visible, everybody? My code is screen, like Visual Studio. It's visible. Everybody add in a comment chat, like if you guys can visual my screen, the code screen. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, perfect, perfect. So first of all, we'll create a new file. Okay, you can visual clearly, or I have to zoom something. Okay, hope it's clear right now. Yes, it's visible, visible. Okay, perfect. So let's first of all we'll create a single file of HTML. If you guys already aware about the HTML file, so let's first of all create a file. Right, we'll add HTML. Okay, so hope you guys aware about the HTML basic syntax, how we can. Okay, okay, it's visible. Okay, perfect, perfect. So first of all, this is the basic HTML, the syntax which we have to must add it in our HTML project or HTML file. Okay, so what we have to do first of all, let's add h1 tag. If you know about the h1 already, I think if you guys already know. So not clear. Okay, what's not clear? The voice is not clear or the screen is not clear? Okay, let me add my brightness. Okay, yeah, some of the basic. Okay, increase the font size. Okay, okay, now it's clear. Hope you guys. Okay, screen is not clear. uh Let me check that. Okay, okay, it's hope it's clear. Everybody, it's clear or something problem I have to say again, or it's clear? Screen is not clear. Okay, let me share again. Okay, just wait a second. Let me share again. Okay, present, share my screen. It's clear, guys. Hope it's clear. I think so. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's clear. Okay, perfect, perfect. So let's add something like welcome to Bootstrap camp. Okay, let's save this on our desktop. Bootstrap project. Okay, it's visible. It's visible but not clear. Please add comment if everybody having faced that issue. It's not clear or something like that. It's clear. Okay, it's visible. Okay, perfect. So I save this, and you guys know already how you can open that project. Okay, so let me open my project in my desktop. It's a Bootstrap project. Hope you guys see the Bootstrap camp, right? Okay, so what we are going to do, so this is a basic HTML project. If we have to do anything, if we need to add something color, so we need to do style, or suppose that color is red. Okay, so we can see here it's red, right? Okay, so now, okay, let me change my color selection profile. Oh, sorry, theme and color theme, light zero studio. Okay, it's clear, guys. I change a background white. Hope you guys, it's like it's clear for you. Okay, okay, perfect. So what we have to do, we have to add a CSS for every work. If we have to do anything, so we'll have to add a CSS. So now let's introduce how we can add a bootstrap in our project, how we can use that point, that's advantage of like the bootstrap. So first of all, let's go on a bootstrap website. So here we have a like different option, but the most probably we are going to use a CDN, or either we can download the whole file into our project and we can use it. Okay. So the best way everybody is using a CDN. What is the benefit of using CDN? Like anybody know what is CDN? Anybody use it before? Can you add a comment in your like add in a chat? Anybody use CDN? Anybody add in a comment? Yes, no, yes sir, no sir, yes sir. Okay. Okay, what is CDN is like the some kind of a platform where the yes, yes, no. Okay, okay, okay. So what is CDN? Let me introduce, like, let me tell you about little bit about the CDN. What is CDN? So CDN is basically the platform where some file is already added, or some website where your file is already added there, and you can just use that link in your project and use that file. So like you don't have to download the whole file in your project, and you can use like you have to use it. So it's clear, you guys, how. Okay, perfect. Content delivery network. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Good. So yeah, it's yes, 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 yes. The like I explain in a simple way. You can use that file. You don't have to download in your system. So let's do the same. We'll use. So there's a two file is available from the Bootstrap. The first of all, the CSS file. Second one is the JavaScript file. Okay. So okay. So the one question for you guys, please tell me where we have to add our CSS file or where we have to add our JavaScript file in our HTML project. So add in a comment. I'm waiting, guys. Add in a comment if you know where we have to add a CSS file, where we have to add our JS file for import. Header tag, head tag. Okay. So in head tag, a CSS file or JS file. Okay, JS added after body in great CSS head. Perfect, guys. Very good. So like everybody is a coder, right? Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's add a CSS file in a header. Perfect. So we'll add as you know, like how we can import a CSS file. So it's exactly same we'll do. In head, we'll add a link which is we'll got from a Bootstrap. Okay, it's visible, guys. Okay, and exactly in a last, like before the body close, we'll add our a JS file. Okay, this is our script file. Okay, perfect. We'll add it. Okay, so now one question for you guys: why we have like why we are adding a JS file in a end of our body? Anybody like why we have to add JS in our end of a body tag, like before the body tag? Why? Any guesses? Any answer? I'm waiting, guys. Is a different way of installing and using CDN link? Okay, I'll explain what is the difference between installing and CDN. But give me answer first, guys. What is benefit or why we are adding a script in a before body tag, before closing a body tag? Anybody? No. Some function load before a page load. It's operate content in a body. Okay, because of Bootstrap for a font and because of link JS code. But please थोड़ा जल्दी करो. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, just थोड़ा सा रह गया. Okay, because first compile a design then script. Perfect. So yeah, perfect answer. So guys, the why we are using script in a like end of the screen, like end of the like before the body closing, because of when the page is load. So every HTML and CSS load, then we have some script which we need to perform on a page. So that's come in a later. Then the JS is perform, and like if we add any animation, if we add some the logic part and something like that. So the script perform in a end, in the like the last part. If we add an initial, then it's run first, then we didn't find anything on a page. So like if we add animation on some div tag, but it's lowered, so when script on a first before the body, so it's like undefined error, like we don't find that id, so that's the problem. Okay, perfect guys. Okay, so how we can check will like this link is added and it's working fine? Okay, so let's check that first on our. Okay, so this is like if you see before refresh my page, the font is a different, and when we refresh our page, the font is totally different. So this is a like we can think, or we can say the bootstrap is applied, or for checking that we can go in our source page. Okay, and we can see the link is already added, and if we click on it, so we'll get the whole css file which like the bootstrap or tutor team wrote for us. So yeah, this is a whole css file. So okay, any question guys till now? Any question? Any question guys? Okay, so let's move to the next part. So today we are going to like the discuss about the grid part. Okay, so anybody know about the grid? Anybody in the? No, no. Okay, anybody else? Hi Rahul, like you mentioned so many like time there is some issues. Can you elaborate so we can fix that? No, yes sir. Okay, yes, yes, no, no, yes. Screen is clear. Oh, screen is not clear. Can you guys add in a comment chat like if screen is not clear for you? Yes, yes, no. Okay. So Ankit and some of others also explain the raw column. Okay, perfect, perfect. So one added question for those people, for those developers who know about the grid system, tell me how many grid in our Bootstrap. So yeah, okay. How many grid? How many grid guys? How many grid? 12, 12. Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, okay, okay. Perfect guys. Okay. So let's discuss a little bit about grid for those who don't know. Okay, so what is grid? This is a screen. If you guys able to see this, okay, let me able to see this. Okay, so this is our screen, and this is divided into a two part, a row and column. Okay, so what you guys know row and column? Yes or no? Row and column? Yes or no? Can anybody add in a chat what is row and column? Anything like small in single line. What is row and column? What is row and column? Anybody add in a comment? What is row and column? Okay, so let's discuss about that. So let me add some code for that, and you can see what is exactly Bootstrap did for us. Okay, so you guys know the Dave, right? If any doubt anywhere, just ask. Okay, so we'll say the row and we'll add. Let's add a how many column? Like two or three? Okay, row is horizontal, column is vertical. Perfect. Very good. Very good. Very good, Ankit. Very good, Suma. Very good. Perfect. Okay. So let's add a single row and add some column. Okay. So you guys know how we can add, we have to apply a classes. Okay. So we create a single row and we don't, okay. Any doubt question? Any question, guys? Okay. So this is a column one, column two, column three. So let's see what we can see. The div is not working. Like we are expecting the column is like column first is here, second is here, third is here. It's not working because of we haven't add any the classes into it. So anybody add in a chat what is class for the column? What is class for that? Anybody know? Anybody? Okay, let me add. So there is a column like col for a column class which is for okay perfect. So there is a column class which adapt the column part. So see, I have added a call everybody like the column part. I haven't add the like the md sm and lg. I'll explain what is md and what is sm and what is lg. I'll just add the single column. Okay, so let's see. You can see the column first, column second, and column third is available here. So it's automatic adapted. So in Bootstrap 5, there is a, let me show you guys. Okay, so I open this. It's visible, guys. So see, this is automatic. The 1 and 2 and 3. I haven't add a 4, 6 or something like that. So it's a automatic adopt. If I add more one, okay, let me add, copy this and the 4 one. Okay, see, so it's automatic adapted a column 4. So like automatic divide into a part. Okay, so it's continuous working till 14 or 12, sorry. So let's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, perfect. So you can see to how it's working. So as per my screen, if see guys, the column 1 to column 12, it's automatic adapted the screen size, and automatic by default it's like add in a second line. So if I decrease the screen size, it automatic updated in a next line because of as per the screen and then font, it's not like it's not clear size or clear visibility. That's why it's added in next line. So let me add. Okay, see. Okay, so now this is a grid part. Okay, let me delete the 4 line. Okay, now clear, guys. So if you have any doubt regarding this, which I have told, the by default column system which automatic detected by Bootstrap, if you just add a call. If you have any doubt regarding this, just add in a chat if you have any doubt regarding this. No. No, can you explain JS script again? Okay, I'll explain, Karan. Okay, yes, we added more. Okay, no, okay, perfect. So now what we are going to do, so as initial some student told about the sm, md and lg. Anybody know about the this? Sorry, sm. Anybody know about this sm, md, lg? Anybody? Anybody about this? No. Anybody about the know about the sm, md, lg? Anybody? Small, medium, large. Okay, perfect. Okay, can you explain so once again? You guess what part you missed? Small, medium, long, small, medium, long, small, medium, long. Okay, small devices and medium devices and large devices. Perfect. So there is the Excel also, but in later they remove this. So let's move to the Bootstrap, and there is a doc file. So when you see the right side of documentation, there is a grid system. Which we just learn about this. So there is a system. So mostly we guys use SM, MD, and LG. But there is so many other options also. So XS for the extra small, and XL for the large, and double XL for the extra large, as for the t-shirts which we are Yes, small medium, very large, large. Okay, so yeah, so these classes available. So let me zoom on this. So yeah, this is the definition, or this is the full form of the tag or the class which we are using after call. So the access for the extra small, SM for the small, medium for the MD for the medium, and LG for the large and extra large, and double XL for the extra large. So anybody in a chat, just let me know how we have to use this. Like, why, what is benefit of using this? Without using this, it is possible to make, yeah, it is possible to make any websites a responsive website. And why we have to use this? Anybody? For responsive design, perfect. Perfect. Size adjusting, perfect. Auto lighting column. This I have already told. Okay. Responsiveness, perfect, perfect. Okay. So let's move to the code. Okay, all device for better user UI, perfect. Very good answer. Yes, it's possible. Okay. In beginner bootstrap, I don't know even basic in bootstrap. Okay, I'll explain in a later end of the session. Okay, for okay. So yeah, let's move. So mostly guys use MD, and I'll tell you why. So let's first. Okay, guys, guess what I have done wrong. Just comment fast, very fast, 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 fast. What I did wrong. Fast, fast, guys. Fast, guys, fast. Why it's not working? Why it's not working, guys? Why it's not working? Okay, you added 16. 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, guys. Very good. 4 MD. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, the problem is, as we discussed, there is only 12 grid. So, we use 4 and 4 and 4. So, we added extra 4. That's why it's more in a different. Arrange assignment. Very good, Arman. So, let's remove one. Then we can see again issue. What is issue, guys? I removed. What is issue? What is issue, guys? I removed the that one. What is issue? What is issue? Tell me, guys, what is issue? Anybody? It's working only medium device. Perfect. Very good. Very good answer. So I added for a MD. Okay. Okay. So it's only work on a medium device. For LG, I'll add LG. So my screen size is 16.5 inch. That's why it's not working again. Oh, column LG 444. Raw container. It's perfectly. It should work. Okay, let me check why it's not working. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me remove the column first. Yeah, this is working right now. But when I add a LG or MD or SM, is that's not working. Anybody guesses why it's not working? Anybody, any guesses? Continuous. Okay. Yes, yes, very good. So what we have to do first, we have to define raw. What is the size of raw? Then we'll get that how many columns into it. Okay, so we'll define a call. It's 12. Then we'll add LG sizes for that. Then it's working. Oh, again. Oh, let me. I think I get some issues. I did some mistake. Oh, what is issue, guys? Anybody, any guesses? MD, MD. Oops, it's not working. Let me add for access. It's not working. Any guesses, guys? Raw column syntax bounced. Okay, let's move here. And this is a column, and this is a column 6, LG. Okay, just copy this and let's use that and discuss about that. Why it's not working? bg.primary, bg.info, p.danger. Okay, this is for first and this is for second. bg dot, that's success. But we have other primary success danger. Again, let's hear bg.info. Okay, SMMD column. Yes. So what we are doing wrong in the past one, so we just define a single access or LG or MD part. So we have to define everything. So let's, on access it's 4 and call dot MD is 4 and then call dot LG is 4. Then it's working. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I comment this. Oh, sorry. Oops, what happened? Charge is bottom. Let me reduce this size. Maybe my screen because of, oh, sorry. Oh, I've zoomed this too much. That's why it's not working, guys. Oh, shit. That's why it's not working. Oops. It's working. What happened? Okay. So, yes, it's working. I don't know. Okay, let me add again. Okay, let me delete all this and let's write again. Okay. Sorry, guys. What happened? I don't know. Okay, let's raw column and bg danjo and let's add a first call, then paste, then paste. This is a 3 screen for the red. Okay, then info and then primary. This is working fine. Okay, so okay, Harry's for the working 9. Nika was still confusing. Okay, mark attendance is still confusing. Okay, so what happened, guys? when we add a MD, SM and column, so we have to define first for the auto part, then we have to define for the SM and MD and for that. So we'll add for a MD for a like, we'll add 12, called it MD for 12, then call dot MD for 12. Okay. So this is look. So if we move, now it's a large screen. If we move to the MD screen, so it's automatic move for a 4 to 4. Call for LG. Oops. Okay, look. So this is for 12. Okay. Then I'll add if LG screen, then it should be 4. Call dot LG. Then it should 4. LG should 4. LG it should 4. Sorry. Uh, what happened to me, guys? It should working. It should work like LG for 4 raw. It's working for you guys. It's working for you. I think some problem into it or what. I don't know. Oops. Let me reset this. Oh, yaar. Sit. I told you guys I zoomed too much. That's why it's not working. And again, I forget that I zoom too much. That's a problem. Sorry, guys. So the biggest issue is I zoom my Chrome is too much. That's why it's not working. So you guys tried it and then let me know if you guys feel any issue. Sorry for that. I zoom too much as my Chrome. That's why it's not working. So for LG 4, then we move in a MD. So then it should be 12. So let's move to the MD. Like, look, it's automatic 12. It's working, guys. Look, move back, then it's 4, then move back, it's 12. It's working, guys. It's very sad, guys. So I zoom too much. My screen, it's already a SM size. So if I wrote anything, it's always working for the SM. That's why it's very like I'm trying to change every way, but it's not working because of I did some bad. Sorry. Okay. Any doubt for a grid, guys? Any doubt? Still, any doubt? On the first day, we did a fun part. Any doubt, guys, for a grid system? So, or let me, or I need to explain again. Any doubt, guys? No, it's okay, no problem. Okay. Yeah, I'll explain the JS part again. Okay, and the other things. Any doubt on a grid because of I need to wrap this. Yeah, it's working. Okay. No, it's all clear. Okay, perfect. Sir, open code. Okay, yeah. Look this. Let me zoom minus. This is a code. You can take it a screenshot. You can, yeah, you can take the screenshot. So I just add the link for the style sheet and I add the small raw and column for the MD and LG and the script part for the JavaS. सर क्या हुआ कुछ समझ नहीं आया. ओके सो मैं आपको अभी समझा देता हूँ प्रॉब्लम क्या हुआ था. Any issue, any, okay, for everybody it's clear. Okay, so let me like I'll explain what happened. So I added a MD or LG size for a 4, but my screen is totally for a like zoomed, the whole zoom. That's why it's not working. So when I move to the back, it's working perfectly. So the problem, okay, current, can you remove the column MD12? Okay, okay, I'll remove it. Did not work. Then can you summarize it again? Okay, okay. define DG bench. Okay. For the BG, I'll like from tomorrow will like for tomorrow we have a different part for it. So we'll discuss about the how background work, how the text work, the all these things. What is the benefit of BG and text and everything? We'll just add these classes and we'll get that. Okay. So and the other question I got for the script part. The script is like how the script work and why we added in a before div. So there are so many part in a like in our code in a body that should have like that's the script added, and when it's load then script run, then the issue is like then the code is executed and then javascript is run. That's why we should add in a body. Suma, that you understand that? Okay, what the Arman can this is a live session or available? Yes, it's available. We use only call replace call MD. Yes. So what we use? So basically, call is for the auto purpose, and if we need to define, suppose that this is the LG screen. If we move to the small screen, so it's automatic come in a 12 grid. But when we back to the LG screen, it's automatic move to the uh, 4 into 4. Sir, BG Denser is red color. Yes. Any doubt, guys? BG info. I'll explain in the next part. That's why I like you must come in a next session. Then you'll know the BG Denser, BG info, and everything. There is so many short code for you. You can just add that, and you'll just get that. Suppose that I'll give you the hint. Suppose I will add a button here. I don't need to write anything. I just need button and info. And let's submit. You can see the design button. Okay, let me remove this. Look, this is a button. Sorry, let me remove this too. How button look? Automatic design, everything. So I'll teach everything in the next session about the component, how we can use it and all. If you guys have any doubt regarding the grid, because of we did so many silly mistake, which like the zoom and all. So, but if you guys clear and all, so yeah, please let me know, and we'll learn how we can the modify the automatic color. Because of if you see, I added the primary, it's automatic, so the light the sky blue color, and if I add the danger, that's a red color. We can change it in a component section. If we use anywhere, it's automatic that get that color. Okay, so your code for of submit. Okay, this is the code for a submit. I'll teach in a next lesson with the detailed and all. Where do I get the link script? Okay, you just have to go the Bootstrap, and on the top first you will get here the CDN link. Can explain again why script is user down. Okay, so script, when we have a so many code, and if we did something happen in a script, suppose that we add in a script the submit button move to here after the screen is load. So when we move to the like when we add that script before loading a button, so the javascript didn't find where is a button. So that's why we add that link before closing the body tag. So when button is render, when everything is done, then javascript find that button and moved it or left or right. Okay. सर इसका एडवांस लेवल कब तक पढ़ाओगे? In this bootstrap camp, I'll cover almost all things which in a like in a bootstrap. Anything else, guys? Because of we are end of now, almost we have done for today. From tomorrow we'll learn, like for tomorrow we'll learn about the component, how we can create a form, how we don't need to write the whole things like the left, right, and label and everything. We just did a small part. Harsa, okay, Harsa, let me again explain in a simple or Hindi way if you are facing an issue. ओके, सो स्क्रिप्ट होता क्या है और उसे हम लास्ट में क्यों यूज करते हैं? बिकॉज अब होता क्या है कि हमने कोई भी बटन या कोई भी एलिमेंट हमने अपने पेज में रखा हुआ है, और जब हम स्क्रिप्ट को पहले रन कर देते हैं बिफोर बॉडी, सो स्क्रिप्ट होता क्या है कि वो स्क्रीन पर जाएगा और हमारे एलिमेंट्स को, हमारे कंपोनेंट को ढूंढेगा वो, बट वो मिलेगा नहीं तो हमारा स्क्रिप्ट चलेगा नहीं। तो दैट्स व्हाई वी ऐड दैट स्क्रिप्ट बिफोर क्लोजिंग बॉडी टैग। तो होता क्या है, जब वो लास्ट में रन करता है, देन दे फाइंड एलिमेंट, देन दे रन देयर कोड, सो इट्स डन। Yes, end of this camp, bootcamp will create a website and everything. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Anything else? Script I have explained. हाँ, very good, Sandeep. Okay, anything else, guys? Attendance जिसने मार्क नहीं किया है, एडेड अ लिंक, जाके अटेंडेंस अभी मार्क करो, बिकॉज ऑफ उसके थ्रू आपको एवरीथिंग, जो भी आपका सर्टिफिकेशन, एवरीथिंग मिलेगा आपको। एनीथिंग एल्स गाइस? एनी क्वेश्चन? एनीथिंग गाइस? Okay, let me off my sharing. Okay, any question, guys? Anything like related to which today part? Yes, yes, 5 दिन में हो जाएगा, definitely we'll cover up almost bootstrap. Okay, bye sir, see you tomorrow. Okay, thank you everybody. Okay guys, okay, bye, we'll see you tomorrow. And if you have guys any doubt, so like, and yes, for the assignment part, go and create a basic structure of your any like the cake site or bakeries kind of site. Just create it, and a simple like the layout part, the header, footer, and something like that. Okay, 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 okay. Bye guys. If you have any doubt between Bootstrap and Tailwind, so both are the same. The Bootstrap and Tailwind almost a same, because of both are the CSS framework. So yeah, yes, bilkul, bilkul. Anything else? Yes, bilkul. Yes, you will get everything. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Okay.